and welcome to Cooler Scene. The 33-year-old could leave for free at the end of the month, but the boss at Camp Nou insists he will remain for at least another year. Barcelona president Joan Laporta says Leo Messi wants to stay at the club and it is only financial regulations that are preventing them announcing a new contract. The Argentina star can leave Camp Nou at the end of the month when his deal expires, and the club have been trying to commit him to an extension. Messi wanted to leave last year and attempted to exercise a release clause in his contract, but decided to stay because he did not want a legal battle with Barcelona. Laporta says the 33-year-old has been convinced to remain at Barca and they want to get a deal wrapped up as soon as possible. Leo Messi's boot will continue on the Camp Nou pitch, he says. He wants to stay. I do not contemplate a no. It is not easy. We will do what we can. He also said there is no need to seduce him. He is determined if there are a series of circumstances to stay. He further added he is okay but he has not signed yet. Kun Aguero tells him every day sign that we'll play together. Laporta says Barca have not been able to confirm an agreement so far because they must balance the book to comply with UEFA financial fair play rules. The president admits they will have to sell some players to make sure they can keep Messi. In economic terms, he has made it very easy, but financial fair play is another battleground. He said, we have to follow the rules. We will follow them. There will be more sales and loans without paying a transfer fee. We will do a lot of loans because we have a high sports payroll compared to the other clubs. Despite Barcelona enduring a disappointing 2021 season, Messi was once again the top scorer in La Liga. He netted 30 goals in 35 appearances in league, 7 more nearest challenger Gerard Moreno. He also scored 5 times in the Champions League and 3 in the Copa del Rey, and it is the only competition they won last term. So guys, what do you think? I love Messi, so I want him to stay at Barcelona. It is best for him and it is best for Barcelona fans.